Maithan is one of the stations of Tata Power which draws close to around 4 million tons of coal, that is domestic coal, for its consumption.
Since last 2 years, we have stabilized the operations, and we are having the unique system of bringing coal by road. Around 3 years back, we used to have only 2,000 tons of coal at the plant we received, and now we are having a average receipt of 16,000 to 18,000 tons per day. Probably this is the only company in the country which is bringing the primary fuel only by road.
Now this is pretty challenging because most of the coal is transported through trucks, and you know that movement of almost close to around 700 to 1,000 trucks a day can be extremely challenging, both from transportation perspective and from handling the local communities. However, we've taken a series of steps to ensure that the quality and the quantity, both these aspects are taken care of. So what we've done is we've installed a coal control room which regularly monitors the movement of the trucks. We have an automated weighment system so that the coal quantity received, there are no issues with respect to that. We have formed a coordination committee which takes care of the issues between the transporter and the local communities at large. Now, how does the coal actually come? The coal basically, the last mile connectivity to the plant is by way of trucks. However, there are two modes in which the coal comes. One is directly by trucks from the mines, and one is by rails up to about 30 kilometers from the plant, and from the rail site to the plant by trucks. So while the last mile connectivity is through the trucks, the rail movement is also pretty important because one of our suppliers of coal, which is Central Coalfields, supplies almost a majority of their 50% of their supplies through the rail movement. So these are the two ways in which the coal comes. When it comes to the plant, there is an arrangement wherein the coal can be fed directly to the boilers, or it can be stored in the yard and fed as per the requirement.
We take large number of measures to control the fugitive dust emission. For the coal heaps, we utilize automatic dust suppression system. During unloading of the highway, we utilize some rain guns to suppress the dust. For the roads, we are using dust suppression by water tanker, and mostly this water is the consumption from the surface water which is generated in CHP. Here we are utilizing a very unique system, that is the Navy's dust suppression system, which creates a huge fog of the water air mixture and suppress the dust immediately when it is required.
We have a very dedicated team which is working round the clock to ensure that the quality and the quantity aspect is taken care of. While we've done a tremendous amount of work last year to ensure that we get the right quantity of coal, this is a challenge in itself, and the team is completely geared to address this challenge and ensure that the station gets the required quantity of coal to maintain the plant load factor which we have targeted for.